Today our topic is 1000 MVA transformer. This is a single unit, single phase transformer, and we make three phase by using single phase 3 units. Each unit having a capacity 333.33 MVA. This is HV bushing and this is MB bushing, and the capacity for HV bushing is 765 kV and 400 MB bushing is 400 kV, and there a small unit we are using here is a 33 kV bushing. This is a very rare arrangement, and it is generally using three-phase transformer. But when the capacity of a transformer get rise, it is not easy to transport a big unit. That's why the suppliers divide in 3 units. It is easy to handle and install. But with single phase transformer, so many challenges in our operation, also in the design. This is R phase unit, this is Y phase unit, and this one for B phase unit. There we did not discuss about the design of transformers. We are discuss only the arrangement of single phase unit for three phase combined unit. This is front side arrangement of a single phase unit. The capacity of oil storage in the tank is 84 KL in a single unit. And behind the transformer you can see the radiators. Also we see the vector diagram of this transformer. This is a vector diagram, vector group diagram of single phase unit transformer. As you can see, this is a YNA0D11. Also for single phase unit, the synchronization of OLTC is a big challenge because each unit having an individual OLTC. As you can see, the size of this transformer is very big. This is a single unit of 333 MVA, and the combined unit of these 3 units is 1000 MVA. These are the radiators for a cooling arrangement of transformer oil. The main engineering is behind the transformer in an open switchyard. We can see the lot of pipe bus arrangement behind the transformer. There is a 133 kV tertiary bus. This is a tertiary bus arrangement. We are taking two 5 bus output from each unit. You can see easily this is a 33 kV bus arrangement, and this is lower bus where we made a delta here. For star arrangement we have made this neutral bus arrangement. All three neutrals is combined on this bus and generate a star point here. For single phase unit, OLTC synchronization is a really tough arrangement. For single phase unit, we make a 33 kV external bus in the switchyard where we connect all three transformers in a manner of R1, R2, Y1, Y2, B1, B2 and R1. There we made a delta here, and by using this common neutral bus, this is common neutral bus, we connect all neutral at that bus and it get ground by using a neutral CT here. The combination of three single phase unit combined 1000 MVA is really tough. You can see the size of each unit is very large, so it is really tough to transport. So the design is divided in three parts, each having capacity of 333.3 MVA. This is a neutral bus arrangement of a single phase unit. It is combined on a neutral bus there. We made Y phase as a master for OLTC, and command for change the tap changer is come at master, then it will go for slab. In a large capacity transformer, we are using a online PPM character. Also, we are using here a DCA unit which can monitor the value of dga. So this is a single phase 1000 MVA transformer. Okay, thank you.